raise your hand if you know the first thing that I need to do for number 1. Christian, what am I going to do?
Either add the second part to the square, like draw the line,
To make it a what? What shape is that?
a rectangle.
Okay, so now that I've done that, I made it into a full rectangle. What do I need to do to find these sides that I don't know the answer to? What do I need to do? Cheyenne, what do you think I need to do?
You need to, okay, you need to find, since it's 6 on that side, and 12 on the other side, you use your mental math, which you already know, rectangles, the opposite sides are not, the opposite sides are not equal, are equal,
There we go.
so that's all.
So we know that this whole side is equal to what then?
12.
12. Okay? And if this is 6, we're asking ourselves, what plus 6 is 12? 6. So we know that this question mark is equal to what number? 6. Excellent. All right? So I got to find this little question mark down here. So what is this whole side equal to? Imani, what is this whole side equal to?
8.
8. All right? So the whole thing is 8. And I know that, what's this down here? What's the width of this?
4,
Why is it 4, Imani?
because the opposite sides are equal.
Right, the side opposite to it is 4. So now we're asking ourselves, what plus 4 equals 8? 4. So we know that this question mark is equal to 4. So now that I know my unknown sides, what do I need to do now to find the perimeter of the whole thing?
And
I add it all up. All right, so I'm going to do 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus, what's this here, 6 plus, do I add this 4 here?
no,
Why not?
because it's an invisible number. It's supposed to be invisible number.
It's invisible, that's great, Imani. Yep, it's not actually part of the shape. We want to know the perimeter of this shape, not this little dashed line that we drew here. We just use that to help us. All right, and then we found that this was 4, and then this side was 12. When you added those up, what did you get?
38. Yeah,
Yeah, 30. Beautiful. Okay, number 2. Put a check on number 1 if you got it right. Fix it if you got it wrong.
I'm still kind of trying to.
All right, number 2. What is Jamal's mistake?
Yeah.
What is Jamal's mistake? So he's trying to find the area of a triangle, and he made a mistake on it. Tiana, what did he do?
He made a mistake because the height is not 13, it's 12.
Oh, why is it 13? Why is it 12?
Because 12 and 15 is like a perpendicular.
Which is perpendicular mean?
Right, is a 90-degree angle.
Beautiful. So when we're finding the area of a triangle, we need to use the sides that are perpendicular, the base and the height. They have to be perpendicular. So what would you use the base for here, Christian? What would you choose? 5. All right. And what would you use as your height here? Well, you got it. You're not guessing. You know it. It's 12. And I divide it by 2. What's 5 times 12?
60, I think.
60. You got it.
Divided
Am I done now? 60?
No.
What do I have to do?
Divided into 2.
30. What are my units?
Centimeters square.
Centimeters squared. You guys are brilliant. Beautiful. Check it if it's right. Fix it if it's wrong.
30.
Check it if it's right. Fix it if it's wrong.
So you get 2 and 3 already.
So we did 2 and 3. That was a double whammy. We found his mistake. His mistake was that he didn't multiply the base and the height. He multiplied the base and the side. And we found out, we remembered.
You forgot. 80 squared.
You're right. I didn't write the formula. I'll write it right here. Okay. And then number 4, quick review of multiplying decimals. I've got 1 and 25 hundredths times 0 and 3 tenths. Okay? I'm gonna do what first?
5 times 3.
5 times 3, which is?
50.
Drop the,
5.
pop the, 1. 2 times 3 is
6.
everyone? Everyone?
6.
Plus 1 is?
7.
3 times 1 is?
3.
Okay, what do I do now?
Placeholder.
Do I need to bother doing a placeholder?
No.
Because I'm multiplying by 0. Anything plus 0 gives you that original number, right?
That's what I was in placeholder, so.
You do always do the placeholder, but if I'm multiplying by 0, do I even have to bother?
Just ring the drum part of the 3, then count how many switches you have to move.
Excellent. So how many digits do I have to the right of this decimal?
2.
How many digits do I have to the right of this decimal? 1. So how many times am I scooching that decimal over?
3.
3 times 1, 2, 3. So 375 thousandths is your answer. 375,000 is your answer. Check it if it's right, fix it if it's wrong.
Can there be a zero in front of it?
Huh?
Can there be a zero in front of that?
Yes, absolutely. You can put a 0 in front of it. Absolutely. Okay, go ahead and put your do now to the side and have your fast facts in front of you flipped over to the back. Huh?
Are we collecting them?
Yeah.
You're not gonna-
We're not going to collect them yet. We're going to collect everything all together.
So these all mix.
All right, get your fast facts in front of you. Get ready, get that pencil in your hand. Christina's ready, Christian's ready. Tiana's almost ready. All right, I know there's a few of us today, but I need enthusiasm with our startup, okay? All right? Yeah, get the yawn out, Christian. You ready? All right, you ready, guys? All right, good. On your marks.
On your mark.
On your
I need
mark.
more enthusiasm. That was ugly. Do it better. On your marks.
On your mark.
You set?
Get set.
Set.
Go.
Wow.
2 seconds. We're doing fast facts. Hurry up. What? Do you pencil? That's fine, Brandon. That's fine. Keep going. Don't let it hold you back. Got about a minute left. Check your work if you're almost done. Check your work. Make sure you didn't skip a row by accident. I've seen it happen. Check it. Check it. Make sure you didn't make a silly error. Flip them over, that's it. Time's up. You'll get them. I wanted you to do doubles. Okay. Christina, clip those for me real fast. And I will read them and update your stars on the star chart
Do you have black
this
stars?
weekend.
Please get black.
I will try my very best to find black stars. I don't know what they need from them.
They do.
They do? Alright, I'll be on the lookout for them. Alright, good people. So, Imani, turn around and read our objective for us today, please.
Students will be able to calculate the area of composite figures.
Okay, so someone who was here yesterday, what did we do yesterday?
We calculated the perimeter.
We calculated the perimeter. What was one of the really important things that we talked about when we were talking about rectangles and when we have these composite figures?
You have to make them to a rectangle.
You gotta make it to a rectangle. What are the things that we know about rectangles so that help us with this? Opposite sides are equal. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to use everything that we know about finding the perimeter of a composite figure and we're going to apply it to finding the area of a composite figure. So that's like, let's say that, you guys know my floors in this room are kind of nasty. They're kind of dusty and gross. They don't have any shine to them
Somebody
anymore.
brought their weave.
So I've got to buy some wax.
No, don't get
Wax for this floor so it gets some shine again, okay? And then, but this isn't a perfect rectangle, is it? I've got that little area over there. I have to know the area of this room so I know how much wax I have to buy. So by the end of class today, we're gonna be able to find the area of a room like this so that I know how much wax I have to buy for my waxing experience.
So, quick question.
Yes, sir.
You have measuring tape.
Do I have measuring tape?
Yes.
Yeah.
You need it.
Oh,
I'm
you
talking-
got it right?
I'm talking about not the stretch out, you need the one that's like in the cake that the carpenters use.
I don't know any carpenters, so we'll do the best that we can.
I can get you some.
Well,